Jarrett Road. Speed is 85 kilometres an hour. We have no traffic in front either side of the carriageway.
So we'll put them on
You're
CAD.
looking for a white BMW. Great, thank you. Yep.
There's a left turn on Manning, tracking eastbound.
Caller, if you can take lead on this and keep calling for us.
Roger that.
Caller, can you tell us last location, please?
Still on Hayman, crossed Addy, roundabout at Dumas Road.
Thank you, we're heading back at November 171. VKI, any units in the Vic Park area with a Stinger on board?
It's gone right.
Yeah, Kilo 404, we've got a Stinger on board. We're just near Curtin Uni.
Still Kent Street, next major will be Berwick Street.
Julie, 9 VKI, just in case they do jump and run, are we able to get K9 to start heading this way?
Yeah, we've already hot run, thank you. Juliet, Kilo 402.
Yeah, cool. Gone through red TCLs at Berwick, Hardey Road. He's turned off Hardin. I believe he's on King George now. Travelling low speed. Back street's going to dump it, stand by.
Juliet, Kilo 405.
Looks like 28 King George, might be a unit complex.
I don't know which one to follow.
Parked under a large shed. 2 out on foot. We'll track the driver.
Tango Echo 223, P2 to the area.
Over.
Well, if you let Polly know, I'm pretty sure we're happy we've got both PIs.
You got him? Sweet.
Roger, VKI to Polly.
Well done.